3. The last video was delayed because I went to school, and because I was quite busy doing homework as well. So anyway, but here's the 3rd video now. I changed the plan a little bit. It was going to go Scratch, but now it's going to be this one, which is more fun. And Scratch will be the 4th video, which will be in 1 more week on Saturday. And it's Saturday today, so welcome to Coding Video 3. I know I've changed the theme look because of this one I have to show you without that slides I do, but this one, anyway, just follow my instructions now. So, today we're going to be learning on how to find the code of a website. For example, go to google.com. Well, anyway, over here, just going to Google whatever website you like. Then when you have your website, if you've got a computer and it works with Windows, I believe that, but I think it works with every OS. So this is for Windows. If you right click here and then you go all the way down, you can press View Page Source. You press that, then this appears over here. All this text thing. It's not text, it's code actually. HTML, like you learned in Coding Video 1. So you won't notice this yet, but don't worry. Over all my videos you should be able to learn this. So this is basically all of the code of what happened to the website. So basically it's got all these code here that you can use, and also just ask me in the chat as well, on YouTube or the comments chat, what do you want to learn from me, and I can make that video for you. Feel free to do that, okay? So that's better, so I know what to do next, because I got confused on this video. So, if you want to learn any of these here, just ask me. Pause the video here and see if you know any of these. Okay, so now just do that, what I said. But anyway, you don't have to do that. But then, what we're going to do is, you can use this. So you can use all of this text here as a text dialogue. So if you want to make your own website, go to Coding Video 1, follow steps, and steal some of the code from any website. For example, if I go to Google here, if I just go to Google here, there we go, gone to google.com. Now, we just right click here, go to View Page Source, look at all of this code here. It's got all of this code. Well, this is too confusing, so I would say that you should know this, because I won't know this either. You have to learn a lot more than that. These are some variables here. I recognise what this is, but I need actually I know how to read this all, but you don't need to, don't worry. But anyway, this is how different websites look. Now, if you go to BBC, just go to BBC or whatever, BBC Weather, and then you just right click there, you go to View Page Source. It's got all of this here, all the code, okay? Here. So it's got all of this code here. It's got 756 lines of code, which is quite a lot. So it would have taken them lots of days to build this BBC website. So you have to get all of this variable data from Met Office and then transfer it into the BBC transmitter. I don't know if you know this, but I'll put the description in the comments and I'll show you where it's located. Well, they use that to transfer the data from Met Office to all those websites that we look at. So that's what those variables are for, and it's got all of this here. So now, you can also now steal any from here as well. You can steal anything. If you don't know, it's fine. It's not bad to steal anything, but it's like Magpie. You can Magpie someone's work like this, and then you can see and test it out on your own website and that. And remember, if you want to do that, on there, save it as .html, and then you can test around what these do and see to experiment these if they work or not. What you want to do on your website, you're building one, and I'll put the video up you want me to do. Okay, so you can go to any website and do this. And that was about it for today. And yeah, so that's just the fun part today, what I was going to do. So bye. Hope you like my next video and this video.